I quickly want to shoot a video. They say there's a massive snowstorm coming our way and see what it looks like. They predict that there'll be 10 to 15 foot snowbanks, so we'll take a look, see what we see tomorrow at this time, or even the day after tomorrow. As you can see, there's no snow on the ground right now, which is late in the season, but it's starting to come down now. So this is now after the storm. You can see there's a pretty good layer here. Yeah, before and after. I'll show you the before and after. You can see there's a lot of snow here. Look at those piles of snow. Huge piles. Yeah, this was our spring storm. It looks very beautiful. It looks like Christmas, but it's the middle of April, so we sure got hammered. Yeah, this is a street where they clear the snow. Look at all these piles of snow. Huge piles. Yeah, this was a spring storm. This is probably the second worst that I can remember in the middle of April. Yeah, this is what it looks like now that it's melting. There sure is a lot of water everywhere. Can't believe it. A few days ago we had a major snowstorm and now we have all the water. Wow. Yeah, 1997 we had the flood of the century, and this is very similar right now. There's a lot of water everywhere. Yeah, it's hard to believe all the water. This is only one little area. There's a lot of areas like this. Look at this. The wind is pretty strong, but there's a lot of water. This is a very unusual spring. I don't recall ever seeing so much water in spring. But then again, this was a major snowstorm. Actually two. Here too. Acres and acres of water everywhere. Yeah, I don't recall ever seeing this much water in this area, ever. No matter where you look, there's lots and lots of water. As far as you can see. Yeah, and there's the strong winds out of the north. You can see, look at this. Wow. Yeah, I know there's miles and miles of water. Yeah, I don't know, but wow. Here too, for as far as you can see, it's water everywhere. You see how the ditch is higher than the fields? That's how much water there is. There's still some ice too, but I think for the most part the melting part is done. I would say this must be the flood of the century too, because I have never ever seen this much water in my life here. There's still a fair bit of snow that needs to melt yet. If I look at the snow banks and the tree lines, there's still a lot of snow that can melt yet too. Here too, we used to live in this area. This is almost the same as the 97 flood. Yeah, this is the Buffalo Creek. Well, it's still lower than then. Probably about a foot lower than what it was in 97. This is the old place where we used to live. Yeah, this is where we used to live. That's how it looks. Wow, lots of water everywhere. Tona pumping water. That's a lot of water. These are some of the backyards. Miles and miles of water. Yeah, this is what it looks like here in the Gretna area.